Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your weekend love bite. Libra, this is from the 11th to the 13th of September. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Libra, thank you so much. All my subscribers, thank you for all your love. And if you're new here, we're an Omkara family. We meet here regularly every weekly, and now weekends as well for with readings for every sun sign. Do join us, okay? Subscribe to the channel. And this card wanted to show through, that's why I paused a little bit. This is the card of communication. So Libra, are you waiting for communication from someone, or are you giving someone some communication? Let's see how this is going to resonate with the rest of our reading here. So let's begin. Newbies, 3 cards each. This is going to be a mini read, just three cards each to see how you guys are doing and what to expect for the weekend in your love life. Your longer readings, of course, have been put up and more are coming up. So do subscribe to the channel and join us here. The Moon in reverse. Some secrets coming out. Before I open your cards, Libra, I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well to top the reading. So my angels, what do you have for Libra now for this weekend? One card please for my Libra. You found it. Dare we take another card, my angels? I need to know what they found. One more card please. One more card. You know what you want, Libra, it seems, but there is a bit of a pause going on, and maybe that's why the communication card is here. So let's see, let's open your cards now. And if you guys need a personal reading, you can reach me at my email listed below in the description box. Don't forget to mention in the subject box your country. Private reading, the country you're from. So the first card I have for you here, Libra, is the Strength card. And then the High Priestess and the World. Beautiful cards though. So Spirit, what is the Strength card for Libra? I think something kind of fell apart, I think, Libra, in the past, and your stability was kind of in jeopardy here with your partner. You're trying very hard to find the courage and be brave about it. You want to talk to this person. I don't think there's any communication. You both are single at the moment. Separately, we both are in your own zone, doing well, single, but if there's no communication till now, you are wanting to put an end to this no communication between the two of you. You want to shut this old chapter of, fighting and no communication and try and return. Yeah, here you are. You want to return to this person and maybe start something new, a brand new chapter with this person. What's the World card, Spirit? You do have a lot of passion for this person, or vice versa. Libra, if this is your person, they have a lot of passion for you and they are really wanting to return now. They are wishing upon a star for this new beginning, Libra. If this is you, then this is you. But you want to start this new chapter with this person who I think in the past there was some problem here. Maybe, some secrets came out. There was some fighting. There was something which went wrong. Both of you were in your ego and pride. The stability kind of rocked between the two of you. And there was no talking at all. But now you want to come back and have some conversation, and that's the communication card right here. You want all these secrets to be revealed. You don't want any more illusions. You want to come in with some kind of commitment here now. Whoever the masculine energy is here, Libra, whether it's you or your person, you have a lot of passion for this person. You want to rush in with passion. Feeling totally attached. Feeling totally attached to this love of your life. Obsessed. Totally obsessed with this person who you care for very much. And you want to rush in with this passion. Interesting. Let's take another card. What's this? Sorry, this was here and this was here. So please clarify, Spirit, the Knight of Wands and the Devil. Maybe earlier this masculine came across as a player. And that was the toxicity which ruined this beautiful relationship. Yeah, but now I think somebody here, Libra, is manifesting something new. They have, there's been too much of stress in this relationship since it kind of, you guys stopped talking and you want to come out of this self-imposed prison and, get yourself out of this toxic energy that you find yourself in. Two of Cups, Spirit. Two of Cups. There's no growth in this love affair anymore. That's how you feel, and that's really worrying you. There's worry, there's regret, there's stress, there's tension, there's no growth happening. Because why? Because if somebody snuck away from this relationship, Libra. Somebody left this beautiful partnership that you guys had. See? This is what you guys had and somebody left, and maybe this could be the feminine who is in reverse now, pulled away her energy and no longer wanting to work towards anything new. Whereas I see the masculine wanting to return now and wanting to have some kind of conversation. Four of Wands, Spirit. What's this Four of Wands? Even though they want stability, I see both of you kind of keeping an eye on each other, or at least one person is. Stalking to see maybe, the other person may be already settled by now or is with somebody else. Feminine is still very upset. I think the feminine here is very upset. She is no longer working on this, relationship at all. She's already moved away. She's moved away to calmer, happier times for herself. Whereas this masculine here seems to be still stalking and watching, her as to where she is and whether she is with, maybe in a stable relationship with somebody else. Let's see. No wonder this pause card was here. But the good news here with this card, Libra, is that this is not the end. It's just a pause, right? So let's see. Maybe that things can turn around. What do we have for the weekend, Spirit? Page of Cups, but it's in reverse. Two of Pentacles. And the Eight of Swords, right? Same card. This toxicity that, you are in, you or the cross watcher, of feeling stressed out and wanting to get over all the stress and tension, it's still here this weekend. Same card, right? You are still holding back, Libra. You're still holding back, or your cross watcher is, not being able to come forward with any kind of apology or a love offer. Still juggling and going back and forth, whether I should or I shouldn't, or how should I. And this is still, again, leading to a lot of stress and tension because of, you're not being able to make up your mind and move forward. Even though I think heart of hearts, you really want to talk and you want to reveal your innermost secrets and maybe hope for something stable to begin again and have some kind of commitment with this partner of yours, who I think there was a lot of love here at one point. Let's take clarifiers anyway. Spirit, what's this Page of Cups for the weekend? For Libra? Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, wanting to now, kind of drop the ball and not, juggle as you are juggling here. Going back and forth, and should I, shouldn't I? Even though wanting it, not being able to make a decision as to how to. Okay, the person who needs to come forward with the communication is still planning. I think they're writing down speeches and talking to themselves in the mirror, but not being able to actually pick themselves up and go and talk to the person itself, right? So they are still blindfolded, still holding their swords over their chest, and not being able to decide how to take this apology now. What do I say? What do I do to say sorry and get back or whatever? So what's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles for the weekend. What's this Two of Pentacles? Excuse me a second for this weird noise. Oh God. Sorry. Yes, emergency. Libra, you have an emergency for sure, because yeah, you're not being able to kind of come forward with this love offer, even though I think somebody here, the masculine, is desperate to go back and bring this apology. Look at both these cards: Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Knight of Cups. Both are in the reverse, not being able to come forward with an apology. Justice is still in reverse. Libra, this is your card. Okay, don't shoot me. Here it is. So right now you're still like not being able to bring justice to the situation, still going back and forth in your mind, and still in the Knight of Swords energy this weekend. Knight of Swords, Spirit. You don't know whether, you can recover this. This is what you had, right? The Two of Cups upright before you lost it, and now you are still wondering, have I really lost it? Do they love me anymore? What if I get rejected? What if they don't love me anymore? You'll never know like this, Libra. If you keep going, stay in your head and keep going back and forth, you'll never ever get to know. So you might as well get it over with. That's what I would suggest. Yeah, and take this cup of love. Okay, it's finally in the upright. So there is a little bit of hope that you will send out something. Maybe not a big message, but maybe it's just a hi, maybe. Not sure whether you'll... I shouldn't say this because you won't send out your hi at all, but this Queen is still a bit upset. I don't think you will get the reaction that you're expecting. Okay, she's a bit closed off yet. It'll have to be more than this that you'll have to do to get her back in the upright. Whatever happened has kind of closed her heart off at the moment, Libra. Libra, this could be you. And whoever's bringing the apology has to do, I think, a little more than this little fish in the cup that they're coming with, right? So let's hope for the best. I don't really see too much happening this weekend. There is passion, but there is a lot of fear of rejection, right? A lot of fear of rejection. So maybe next week then, build yourselves up till then. So that's all I have for you. Love and light, take care, and see you next week. Have a good weekend, Libra. Namaste.